Guys, let's see today how to fix two-finger scroll is not working on Windows 11 computer. So whatever the reason, guys, maybe yeah, because of incompatibility, yeah, some outdated drivers. But guys, it can be easily fixed by updating your current drivers, yeah, by resetting the spot setting. So just give a try to this confirm solution now, guys. So for that, just go to start and you can just on settings and yeah, you can just complete the current devices and now just try to slide content from the right pane and you can just yeah, here you go. Just select the touchpad. And guys, please make sure that the touchpad, the toggle, it should be that on, guys. And just go and just check if it is working or not. If it is not working, then try to move to the another method. This time, you guys just go for the reset touchpad settings and just search to default. Just go for the reset, guys. And just let's try. Still, if it is not working, then this time we'll go to another method. So this time we'll go, guys. Just you can see over here, scroll and zoom. Just select this, just expand this option, and you can, guys, you can see over here the drag two fingers to scroll. It's make sure that this checkbox should be that, guys, checked, guys. And you just go and just check. So this time your issue will be resolved. If it is still not working, then try to move another method, guys. So now this time just in the search, just type device manager. Yeah, you can see over here, just tap on it. Just here, come to your icon of the pointing device, LN input device, select on it, and just right click on that and just go for update driver. And you can just go for this one, and you can see over the best driver device are already installed. You can also try for this method also. So just type in the search box, just type control panel, and you can just go to the control panel. And now, guys, you can just select that hardware and sounds, just select on it, and guys, you can just select on the mouse. And now here you just select that tab as a mount, as a pointers, and you can guys select this. It should be the by default select the Windows default. So just go and just change. This time you can just go for the Windows Black System skin. Select and just go for apply and open guys. So guys, they are the methods which you can resolve this issue easily. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.